Hola, Bafitu. What's happening, Batagata? So yeah, this is GPV. The next day, Bafitu, we had to polish the car also. But then what we did is that we were just flattening it. V. Yeah, well. So now we were polishing it the next day, preparing for Candyland. Even though we arrived late, but then we made it, Bafitu. Bafitu. The car is nice, ne? That's why I always say that amapende wasegas a festive venue, Buffett. Ayatela. We know what we are doing, Buffett. Look at this, Buffett. This car was silver before. Yeah, but then look at it now. Look at it, Buffett too. So vandaag, Buffett too. We have new projects. We have what is it? An MK1 that will be featuring a Kusheshe that just dropped in. Bafitu, what else? Nah, live VR6 Bafitu. Nah, Bafitu, V Bafitu. Unfortunately, the car couldn't make it because the owner had other commitments. A Candyland, but then nevertheless, Bafitu, Imoto, a clean. This is how it looked after polishing it, and refurbishing rims and polishing calipers. The car looks clean, Bafethu, and we also did some work to put it up. Episode number 4, Ibonisile would be senzana on our feet. So for those who saw episode number 4, they understand what I'm talking about here. Yeah, well. The very same episode number 4 that I'm talking about there, Bafethu. We had already inserted amacoilovers, painted caliper, but then you remember we had that buckled area, Bafethu, that was buckled. Now see showing a stone sheep. Look at that, Bafethu, look at that. Clean. We made sure that Sailula and Dole Bafethu. Then Bafethu, Saiwashi motor because we wanted to work on it. Yeah, so basically what we are doing at the moment here, we are just installing these small things, more like indicator lights, interior panels inside that one. So yeah, kunjalo Bafethu. Yeah, Bafethu. So we have panels, everything. Fortunately enough, sasegrand panel, yeah, but then we'll cover where they need to be covered. Stiffness la umile siwahwaya ezingisasho vele siwahwaya Bafethu abe clean siwapende so that azoba sharp azohlala la grand. But then otherwise this is the engine bay Bafethu. Cover the detailing Bafethu. Probably exhaust vele izoshintsha vele. New discs. This side ama-beadings wangenile, but then we must kumele siwafake kahle. But the reason I'm showing you this part is that I want you guys to actually appreciate this Spanish. Yeah, basically we appreciate the song, so these side skirts will be going in there Bafethu, but then sonbonisa ukuthi imoto beyinjani, yabo. Look at that Bafethu, cover there bit. It was buckled, rusted, but then we made sure that we do the Lord's work. Baba, look at that Bafethu, yabo. Chef Ramtesh baba ayingenelela grinder sayishisela which even nice as possible, yabo. You saw the smoothness, Bafethu. So this is the work that actually went in basically on this project, Bafethu. Both sides were buckled, so we made sure that Bafethu siyayisika, siyayilula, then siyibuyisela in place, yabona Bafethu. Look at that, Bafethu. Look at that. It's fortunate enough that it wasn't rusted inside, but then nevertheless, we made sure that Bafethu say unpackila be clean as possible, basically. Yabo. So for umunye umuntu ongayazi the project le mele ayibone as if ayikaze yashaya izinto or yawa ngejeke yagoba, yabo. So Bafethu, I would like us to appreciate the span, Bafethu. Nibone doesn't Bafethu. Igesi ifikile, Bafethu. Igesi ifikile, and to be honest, we were there, Bafethu. We were just low key, Bafethu. Thanks God, Bafethu. We managed ukuthi to have strength ukuthi siqale ispan sisipushe because we were working on one project. Look at that side, Bafethu. Clean. After preparing that, Bafethu nizothuka, Bafethu. It will be smooth. You won't even see these worlds. Yeah, look at that, mfana. Look at that, Bafethu. Look at that, Bafethu. from this. Imagine fun to that. So that's why bafethu pinda le video le bafethu. The other thing vele ngifuna add ama-minutes nyana ukuthi phela ibe yinde le video. Hey phela angina content. But nevertheless bafethu nako ke bafethu. Look at this side. So we're gonna put side skirts this side also. Look at that, bafethu. No longer back here. Clean. Fish. My favorite part of the project. Look at that. Indicator lights on. Both side. Yeah, remember if it lab is cutted here, but then look at this now. Clean job, yeah? And that's why customer sell to something. Ukuthi sikwazi ukuvula imoto siyenzisejaka kanje ngoba ngathuka athi ngeke sabuyela wona. So bafethu, look at that bafethu, i masterpiece bafethu into esiyenze la. Look at that, clean. Both sides were open, but then look at that bafethu. So imoto say assembler kancane bafethu, kancane iyahlangana. We'll make sure to bafethu keep you posted zame, because this is the project that you are here for. Lana bafethu bisifaka ama brake pads abana bafethu. Imoto le mayihamba la. And I come to think of it, 2.8 bafethu is a big engine, so I'm a brake pads mela be sharp, yabo. So bafethu, there's a new project that actually came bafethu. It came during the day bafethu, yabo. Kusheshe. This is a major project. Now you will make sure that we document it bafethu. Senze so bafethu siniki content as much as we can abana bafethu, and actually grow this the culture of cars, because I can see ukuthi it's dying kancane bafethu, into engayenzeki la ekhaya, into eyenzeka esicacini every time. But then nevertheless bafethu, cases here, we are not saying ngeke move ekhaya, because eventually we must move ekhaya say somewhere else whereby our customers will feel ngathi basithembe, because at the moment abasithembi nganix. But then isipani bafethu so sikhulumele. Niyambona ushefika mdesh lapha bafethu lapha. Sasha ama calculations funa ukudouble customer inyongo sometime le vele isaphuma iyangena bafethu, le isaphuma iyangena la. Uzomana hamba yokhuluma nomfazi ukuthi hey phela ngale la ngibeka khona hey iprice ingidouble inyongo. But then nevertheless le moto so yenza la ekhaya awona bafethu, nizoyibona bafethu. So now we have two kusheshes bafethu, legendary cars. So we'll make sure that we do justice bafethu. So yeah, that's that bafethu. Ayehla ayisayendawo bhuti, ayisayendawo ila egas bafethu. My grill bafethu. BM things are expensive bafethu. Look at that, 550. This one for clipper. The other one also, understand, top spring, fog lights right here bafethu. So yeah, sasebenza bafethu. Yeah, from Chrome bumper to the one that has black bumpers, but then a small one also. Yeah, bro. Black bumper. So these are the rims for the kusheshe that came yesterday. Clean. Some of the seats. Izoba clean bafethu, izoba clean. Makolidi. Nako ke bafethu sibhizi nangale MK1 yalikhumbula leli blue. I think you'll kumbula bafethu nalo siyaliphusha bafethu. This one is a Chico spec bafethu 1.3 yabo. 1.3 le in blue and white lines bafethu, but then we'll make sure that we transform this very same car. We even called out Natim Simanga no Black Driver. It's unfortunate that they declined the call out bafethu, but the competition is between the two of them, which is understandable. But then nevertheless, a project say pusher. There's our new project bafethu. It came yesterday, so we're busy now. So we'll be changing this very same back from chrome bumper to back up a small bumper. Izoba mnandi bafethu, izoba mnandi. Guy, we are still working on paprika also. Bafethu, the put setup. The put setup bafethu. Put setup bafethu. Look at this dog. Clean, right? Ibhozolo. Into ezophuma la bafethu. Telling you, dog. Check. This was done in a house, bafethu. This was done in a house, bafethu. The car is full Alcantara. Full Alcantara. How about the stitching of the roll cage, papa? So at the moment we are busy. I'm putting in chrome pipes, water pipes on the engine. Look at that, bafethu. Hey, Ramdesh. Ngapha siphethe nophofuzini bafethu. Our mechanic. I'm pretty sure if you've been following us, you saw where these speakers came out from the Polo. Yeah, we wanna make Ras. Bafethu, APF bafethu. I don't know if you can see bafethu. The exhaust manifold bafethu. Power pipes did the things clean, right?
Babe. Yes. What again? How cold we? Oh, all right, sir.
So yeah, bafethu. Dashboard. By the door panels, bafethu. We kept the car clean, bafethu. We kept the car clean. Since Beamer seats bafethu. Someone in the comment section ukhale ngokuthi le moto akayibonanga ipaprika ukuthi icale kanjani icale so bafethu. Sorry again, these videos were meant for Facebook. You see a full screen video, so now we just tried to squeeze them so that you can see the project. We had 3 projects Wama Golf last year. This one paprika, which didn't make it, came first, a white one and a brown one. So after here you will see the 3 bafethu. We used to call them 3 musketeers. Yeah, so 2 of them we managed to finish them. You see this one had was it a Mini Cooper sunroof. The next one, which is the white one, we installed a Tiguan sunroof, and we were doing like a full refurbishment, sound, interior, you name it, for the white one. So then there's that one, which we call paprika, the red one, which is the one that we are still busy with at the moment. Izophuma inswembu le moto bafethu. Imoto eziphuma la ekhaya ziphuma zinswembu zonke bafethu. So with that being said, just watch bafethu and see how we cooked these golfs bafethu.
Ești cantina, au e facă poi.
So this is the box that will be going to the VR6. The setup is there. So here we're installing water pipes, but then these chrome customized ones. But then we ran into a problem whereby this pipe it was short, the return line. We decided, you know what, let's go hard line. Because the plan is to actually do more hard lines in front of this cover feed. Stay tuned, Buffy. Stay tuned. Hard line. Nango ku-chef update yagobagoba abantu abakhule ngeemoto zamatrata. It is paying off ke manje bafethu yabo. So yeah, nale rabbit bafethu into ikhala kahle. Yabo. Hardline Buffet for a 10. More hardlines are gonna be going in here, Buffet. Stay tuned. Senze into clean Buffet. Clean Buffet. La kusazoba nehlakantsuka yamapipe nizobona. I mean Buffet, I can't get enough of the put setup. I don't know about you Buffet, but then let me just show you Buffet. Cover the neatness Buffet. Stishy on point. like everything on point, Buffett. Alcantara. So here, Buffett, we were charging a bit late, Buffett. Leave flat, the motor basically for since from last year. Yeah, so yeah, kunjalo. Back to the Galofu. Igalofu, Buffett, Igalofu. So basically, Buffett, we see clean Buffett so that we can apply lona i-prime manifest code kamnandi. Then from here, bafethu siyayithela bafethu. Ikhala lingawaka izorefleka ngasekudala, but then you can see that we are no longer going for blue. We are going for a color. Hey, yamanyora bafethu. Now amabhampa nawo lapho. So here we are applying i-prime manyana bafethu so that ipende mayihlaliseke. Angithi bafethu mina niyibone ipende ye-4,000 ipende njani. Ipende ye-4,000 ipende njani. Ipende mawupenda kayi-1 ikhave nge-first coat. Uyangithola, hayi ipende nyana nje. But then bafethu hayi nizobona bafethu, this very same golf bafethu njengoba bengisho we had called out ulono uNathi Msimanga no Black Drive, but badecline lamachita hayi kuyazwakala. Competition is between the two of them, but then siya continue bafethu naloku bafethu siyalitela bafethu, so ithela yonke la moto. Someone was asking why do we strip our cars. We make sure that bafethu ipende ingena yonke indawo. Basically this is a color change, yabo. That's why some think that we are expensive, but then siyaphusha ispan bafethu noma kanjani. Yabo. So for this golf we are using what we have. Silungisa lokho kukhona, lokho ngekho sokuthengwa kuye, yabo. Yeah bafethu hayi ungawaka siyayithela. Fenders. Nayo ke lapha bafethu. Nali Golf 6 lapha bafethu silifaka umoya.
Yabona mase ngisemuva ke. Yo. Sokubonisa ngizokukhathela ma. Gumede awu CP Star Sound awu aze ngoma uGumede kanjani ungamazi uGumede.
As you can see bafethu imoto vele seyimaskiwe yenziwe everything. From here sifuna ukuyithela ipenda bafethu. So this is blood red bafethu. Tony's color bafethu. Hayi lapha ePoison they sell proper colors, but then melu uzujimile. This one costed around 4.7, but then it is worth it bafethu. It is worth it. Phuma ikhala entswembe. So from here bafethu I won't be talking so much. So dlala music nisibonele bafethu vele imoto mayipenda bafethu. La iqala khona iphinde iyophela, yabo. Izinto bafethu. Sibonge.
from me now, and I don't wanna let him down. I had a dream, I got everything I wanted, not what you think. And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare to anyone who might care. And they say, as long as I'm here, no one can hurt you. Don't wanna lie here, but you can learn to. If I could change the way that you see yourself, you wouldn't wonder why I'm here. They don't deserve you.
Sorry, I'm so funny. Okay, now I'm going to Susa. Fuck, sorry.
And it feels like yesterday was a year ago, but I don't wanna let anybody know. 'Cause everybody wants something from me now, and I don't wanna let them down. I had a dream, I got everything I want, not what you think. And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare to anyone who might care. And they say, as long as I'm here, no one can hurt you.
khona into enzakala uyahlangana naye uyahlangana mabizo
Ay bafethu nami niyangazi ngoparapepe. I didn't wanna what is it, ruin the video for you guys ngibe ngikhuluma okunikunibe ngifuna niyibone siyipenda kahle wona bafethu while you listen to music. So bafethu nayo ke bafethu, this is our first coat. The car still needs to be painted inside bafethu, but then I must say it came out nice bafethu. Hayi mamchief usebenzile. Blood red bafethu.
Anyway, Nkosi yami. Hayibo. Huh? What the fuck, man?
Bafethu, if usuka nathi, I'm from first episode, second episode, third episode, and fourth episode. This is our fifth episode, bafethu. Thank you for the support. I'm pretty sure you saw this car, bafethu. This is Ikosa nalo info full body paint, bafethu. It is clean. That's our Golf that side. I-Golf bafethu senelibonile i-progress yakhona. Color change. That Golf, it's a Chico bafethu. 1.3 spec, but then we got it in a 2-liter carburetor. You know that one, that blue and white one. Yeah, that's the one bafethu for the Golf. But then we've changed it bafethu. Say blood red color code. The paint costed us around 4.7 for a 5-liter bafethu. Tony's color quality bafethu. So we make sure bana njengale so it tell us as a show nanoma kungaba ne scratch bafethu. There's one thing that I'm forgetting, bafethu. This car belongs to our painter, the very same guy that you see there painting. Chef. I know some of you guys will be asking why is not covering the motor more like the VR6, some Golf and so forth. The motors zonke, we haven't polished them. So eventually, if you know the process of polishing, you need to send them or motor we send. Then that's when you also polish. So eventually, this is about proper. Don't worry about overspace bafethu at the moment. But then bafethu says push his span. Even all amala no abona go bonnet, small bafethu. But then the color is coming nice. I wanna bafethu. Mayingaphumi so yenza sure good mele ziphume.
Ayesh Kansina. I will fuck a boy.
uyazi ukuthi mina ra eJubek unibheke kade uyezwa mina anizeranga lapha kuzolala lapha
Sizelo kuzosebenza la Joburg la. Ayike into emntazisitshela yona. Sesifikile manje, gesifikile nevalonye bakhona. Bafethu ubona la siyitheli clear ke manje bafethu uya. Hey, siyitheli clear. Bafethu lento ezophuma la bafethu. Nina nisithatha kancane Thina singabaloyi bafethu. Nalabo basibiza bomapendana. Hayi mele bayiyeke le ndaba la bafethu. Sihlonipheni bafethu. Please respect us. Yabona bafethu, call us bafethu, refinish technicians. Awusuka madoda. Mawuhluleka lo ngibiza ngochef Ramdesha. Ayikho enye bafethu. But then iSpani sasishaya bafethu, sasishaya iSpani. As you can see bafethu, we are pushing iSpani and to more projects. All I would like to say is bafethu, thank you bafethu for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking bafethu. Thank you for actually engaging in our YouTube channel bafethu. Ngiyazi kunzima bafethu ku-engage bafethu. It's not everyone bafethu othanda content ekanje, but then let's uplift the car culture. We are trying to do something here. Eventually bafethu soba proper, soba professional, yabo. Sibonge. Ene mina bafethu angithanda ukuncintsha content ngizonika yonke. I'm not cutting any video bafethu, so nizozibonela ukuthi kwenzakalani, yabona. Should manje if you were to fast forward, it's up to you, but then now I'm showing you everything bafethu ukuthi ubone ukwenzakalani, what are we capable of bafethu. Hayi so kade ngisharp music.
Aesh Cantina. Are we fucking boy? Should my sengifona umuntu mina ozothi hayi lezi azilitheli band. Bafethu sayitheli band makancane. Wait a minute baba. Chava. Sunkissed papa.
Ade. Abambo. Ujahana le ba. Ababo.